Life is simple, and when it comes to exploring the world, it must be easier still. That is why we have designed the best automatic instant pop-up camping tent for you. If you still use the old camping tent, believe me, you're wasting your time. Do not get frustrated anymore. Automatic Instant Pop-Up Camping Tent offers a special technology. And it will automatically install in 3 seconds. Enjoy, explore, laugh, and live with the Automatic Instant Pop-Up Camping Tent.